Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka United Democratic Party, kawaina ki party bakarsyani ka sarkar senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, balayalam da ka NPP, hinin gasngi arpoi tarik unailor, kala shim ya karai, bakum ka party, kisngau day bandon tang uway kurtong, monlang ban yakun ha ka election MP, kaban salong shen house nem arajar kat kandai. Yakani karai la shim ha ka jingelang jong ka Central Election Committee jong UDP, kabalalong ha yengsa jong Dr. Don Kupar Roy, ubalong u President ka UDP. Hagani ke jingelang ke UDP kalaya keren ru hakabayday bat ke election MDC ke ban salong House Nem Banwan Shakilai Teligi Autonomous District Council jong Jilla Meghalaya.
We have taken the decision that the first list of the MDC candidates, will be out on the 16th of October this year, and we will be sending intimation to all the districts and to all the constituencies that they have to send the list of the candidates recommended by the party leaders at the constituency level on or before the 31st of October. So that will be the final list, the last and the final maybe. So we intend to complete this whole process before the 31st of October this year. And number two, with regards to the MP elections, we have taken the decision that we are proposing that in both the parliamentary seats in Tura and in Shillong, it has to be a common candidate. We would prefer a common candidate. We are in this MDA coalition government, so we would prefer a common candidate from Tura as well as from Shillong parliamentary seat. And for Tura, most probably, if NPP takes that, if they want to field a candidate, then Shillong seat has to come to UDP, because we are the major partners here in this coalition government. The next CEC meeting is going to be held in Garo Hills, either in Dainodupi or in Rongcheng, these two places.